trial and figure out whatever to do on that state jail later. All right, sir, you're John Jones?
Yes, ma'am.
Give me just a second. Let me get yours, everything pulled up here. Let's see, Mr. Jones, in cause number 25 DCCR 0523, you're charged with a first-degree felony offense of murder from April 28th of 2025. Sorry, blunt one. And what that means, sir, is that if you go to trial and you're found guilty in that offense, the range of punishment would be between 5 years and up to 99 years or life in prison. Do you understand the range of punishment?
Yes, ma'am.
And then in cause number 24, DCCR 2431, you're charged with a state jail felony offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle from October 15th of 2024. What that means in that case is that if you go to trial and you're found guilty, the range of punishment is between 6 months and up to 2 years in the state jail prison. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And then in cause number 25, DCCR 1352, you're charged with a first-degree felony offense of aggravated robbery from September 18th of 2024. What that means in that case is if you go to trial and you're found guilty, the range of punishment is a minimum 5 years up to 99 years or life in prison. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And then finally, in clause number 25 DCCR 1353, you're charged with the second-degree felony offense of robbery from September 18th of 2024. And in that case, what that means is if you go to trial and you're found guilty, the range of punishment is between 2 years and up to 20 years. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And then I have here on the tablet in those cases some plea bargain rejections that you've signed with Mr. Wilkerson. They show that the district attorney's office has made an offer if you wanted to enter pleas of guilty for a 35-year term in the murder case to run concurrently with a 35-year term in the aggravated robbery case with a dismissal in the robbery as well as the state jail felony unauthorized use. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand what their offer is?
Yes, ma'am.
And have you gone over it with Mr. Wilkerson?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you want to reject that offer and have all 4 of your cases set for trial?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, is there any reason to expect that those offers would change any evidence that you're waiting on that you guys haven't received or gone over?
No, Your Honor, not at all. In fact, the state will be, will likely be filing a motion to accumulate the sentences to the extent that we can. I think 3 of them would come out of one occurrence, and then there's 1 from a separate occurrence.
You've actually got 3 different dates. So you've got ag robbery and robbery from September of 2024. You've got an unauthorized use from October of 2024, and then the murders from April of 2025.
To the extent we can accumulate all of those, Judge, we will seek to do so.
So I want to make sure you understand, Mr. Jones, that if you are found guilty in more than one of these offenses by a jury, the state can file requests that I stack or run cumulative, which means stack on top of each other any punishment that you receive. Do you understand that as well?
Yes, ma'am.
And that after today, I will not accept this agreement for a 35-year term. If you change your mind later, you can enter a plea open to the court. You can enter a plea to something different, but it's not going to be 35 years. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, and do you want to have all of your cases set for trial?
Yes, ma'am. I got a question though.
Yes, sir.
Like, it's my offer 35, right? Like, that's what the DA's offering, right?
Uh-huh.
My co-defendant admitted to it, but he got a 30-year off.
Here's the thing. Your offer is what your offer is. He may or may not have had the robberies before he would, listen, I don't know. I know the offer is what the offer is. All right? So either you take the offer or you go to trial and let a jury decide. I'm not involved in negotiations. I'm not going to tell the district attorney's office what to do. That's not my job. But you don't get to, everybody has different issues in their cases that they feel important and why they would make different offers for different co-defendants. All right? So you're not going to have a different offer, and that's what I want to make sure you understand. Even though there was something different for your co-defendant, the district attorney's office has said, this is it, this is your offer. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and you want to reject it and go to trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll get it set for trial.